Hello everyone, have a bunch and have a rubber at the bottom and make a bun in the middle and have it attached to the top with a hair clip. Make a bunch out of your beautiful hair and with the last loop create a lump and bring the ponytail backwards and have another rubber and tie in the middle, fold it and secure it with a lovely hair clip of your choice. Split your bunch into two and have a rubber band attached to it and make a loop and drop it inside. Then combine them both and have a rubber band attached, securing its position. Make another ponytail with the remaining hair, make a loop and drop it on the bun we created. Then secure tips by having a rubber band and stuff it inside. Create your bunch, move the bunch forward and attach a very large hairpin and secure its position. Bring the ponytail back and attach a beautiful hair clutcher. Grab your hair from the sides and tie it in the middle and make the twister pattern twice, and with the remaining hair make another ponytail and divide it into two. Make two ponytails by splitting them into two and have a rubber at the ends. Make a loop and drop it inside and combine both the tips and bend it over, then move its position to the top by securing with a very large hairpin. Grab your hair from behind and using your index finger twist the whole hair and secure its position by using a lovely hair clip. Grab your hair from the sides and tie it not in the middle but in the right middle. Make a twisted pattern once, then with the remaining hair divide it into two sections and insert a hair loop at the right and bring the entire left section to that right position. Completely make it come down, and once when you do it, comb it a little bit to divide it into three sections. And what else? Start braiding it all over from top to bottom. Secure tips with a rubber band and fold it to half and make it go to the top left. Then secure that position with a lovely hairpin. Then of course decorate with your hairpin of your choice. Create your lovely ponytail and split them into three, and one of them tie a rubber band and have a loop in the middle and drop the tail inside. Repeat the same for the other two and attach the clump with the rubber band again. Then with the remaining ponytail, have them another rubber band and make another loop and drop it inside and twist it. Then make it completely come around the bun we created. Then secure tips by splitting them into two and hiding it beneath the bun. Then secure the whole with a lovely hairpin of your choice. Create a bunch out of your lovely hair and have a hair clip attached from bottom to top and then secure it in the opposite side vice versa, and with the remaining ponytail split them into two and in one section split that into three parts. And what else? You're gonna braid it all the way from top to bottom in a very thick manner. So once when you braid it, secure the end by bending it forward and tying a rubber band in the middle. Then do the same on the opposite side as well. Tie the ends by bending it over and have a rubber band. And what you have to do is bend the braid over and making a circle. Secure tips underneath the bun we first created, then secure the whole hairstyle with a hairpin. Thank you guys for watching this video.